guys! Sa araw na ito ay nais ko po sa inyo i-share ang mga difficult words. Kung may nais po kayo pong maipalabas po sa tanong ito, ay pwede po kayo mag-comment down below. At kung may nais man po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin po mag-comment down below. So, hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
Typical words of letter J. Jabot, long frill in front of bodies. Jacamar, long-billed brightly colored bird of tropical South America. Jacinth, orange-colored variety of the gem hyacinth. Jacinth, orange color. Jacobin, extreme revolutionary, especially of French Revolutionary of 1789. Jaconet, kind of thin cotton fabric, especially with one side glaze. Jacquerie, peasant revolt, especially of French in 1358, peasant class. Jactancy, boasting. Jactation, boasting. Medicine, tossing or shaking of body. Jactitation, jactation, false claim. Jactitation of marriage, false claim to be married to a person. Jaculation, hurling or darting as of spears. Jaculiferous, with arrow-like prickles. Jadube, I adjust, call when merely adjusting and not moving, a piece in chest, etc. Jiger, gull-like bird of prey, also called skua. Juggernaut, juggernaut. High alay, rockets-like game of Spain and Spanish America. Jalap, root of Mexican plant used as purgative. Jalopy, worn-out motor car or aircraft. Jealousy, Scottish, be jealous of, grudge, Scottish, suspect. Jealousy, blind or shutter with slats slanting upwards and inwards. Jambulan, flam-like tree of Java with fruit used as astringent and drug. Jampan, kind of sedan chair. Janiform, like the Roman god Janus, two-face. Janissary, member of certain Turkish infantry corps. Janok, pleasant, outspoken, honest, generous. Jardinier, ornamental flower stand. Jarrah, Australian eucalyptus tree with mahogany-like timber, red gum tree of Australia. Jarvey, Irish jaunting car driver, hackney coachman. Jaspe, mottled or streaked with color. Jaspidus, like or containing jasper. J. coral, pertaining to the liver. J. corice, impregnant with ultraviolet rays, similar in value to cod liver oil. Jihad, Muslim religious war, crusade. Jejun, empty, sterile, dry, naive, immature. Jejunum, middle part of small intestine. Jelab, loose-hooded cloak of Morocco, etc. Jelutum, lion tree yielding raspberry resin, this resin. Jemadar, Cepal lieutenant, any military or police leader. Genesesquo, I don't know what, indescribable attractive attribute or quality, a certain something. Genet, small Spanish horse, she ass. Gentacular, pertaining to breakfast. Jequirity, seed of Indian licorice used as weight, rosary bead, etc. Jarboa, jumping rat, especially of North Africa. Jeremiad, mournful prophecy, story or complaint. Jerke, examine papers of a ship for smuggling attempts, etc. Jerker, customs officer who jerks ships. Jess, ring strap round hook's leg. Jesuitry, casuistry. Jesuitical, cunning. Jesuitism, Jesuitry, quibble. Jetsam, goods thrown overboard, especially when found cast up on shore. Jettison, throw overboard to lighten ship, cast off as nuisance, discards as act, jetsam. Duty spree, game of wit, light, humorous work, witty sally. June premiere. Feminine, June premiere. Juvenile lead in musical play, etc. Jonas Dore, Gilded Youth, Rich Young People. Jinn, singular genie. In Muslim mythology, class of spirits, lower than angels able to take on human and animal form. Jodhpurs, riding breeches fitting lower leg tightly. Joie de vivre, joy of living, zest. Jointure, settlement of state on wife to become effective on death of husband, settle jointure on. Jointress, woman holding jointure. Jongleur, medieval, wandering minstrel, troubadour. Juggler. Jorum, large bowl containing drink, its contents. Joule, unit of energy or work, equal to work done when force of 1 Newton moves its point of application 1 meter. Judaize, make or become Jewish, keep Jewish observances, convert to Jewish beliefs. Judophobia, antisemitism. Jugal, pertaining to cheek or cheekbone. Jugate, in pairs, applied to 2 overlapping heads on coin. Juggernaut, huge Indian idol of Vishnu, drawn at festivals on a cart beneath whose wheels worshippers were erroneously believed to throw themselves to death. Any belief or object needing or receiving sacrifice of themselves by believers. Anything that crashes all in its path. Very large lorry. Jugular, pertaining to neck or throat, such vein. Jugulate, killed by cutting throat or strangling. Check by drastic measures. Julep, sweet medicated beverage. Jumel, in or with pears. Juncaceous, pertaining to or like a rush, belonging to rush family of plants. Juncture, junction, joint, critical moment of time. Jungfrau, young woman, maiden. Junker, landed aristocrat, special of Prussia. Junta, council, any administrative body, clique. Junto, clique faction. Jural, pertaining to law or legal rights. Juramentum, Latin plural, juramenta, oath. Jurant, person taking oath. Jurat, sworn public officer, magistrate, municipal officer of Singapore's statement at end of affidavit showing circumstances in which it was sworn. Juration, swearing. Juratorial, pertaining to jury. Juratory, pertaining to oath. Jurisconsult, legal expert. Jurisdiction, legal authority or administration, extent or area of such authority. Jurisprudence, science of law, knowledge of law. Jurisprudent, person expert in jurisprudence. Juris, jurisconsult. Juristic, pertaining to juris, pertaining to or permissible by law. Jus, plural jures, law, legal, power or right. Jus gentium, law of nations. Jus inter gentes, international law. Jus fremi noctis, droit de senior. Jus quo about, to the end. Jus caubotis, radical, one willing to go to the bitter end. Jusive, grammar, signifying command. Juvenescent, becoming young. Juvenilia, writers or artists youthful, early works. Juxtapose, place side by side or next to. Jinjin, pertaining to or like wryneck, belonging to wryneck subfamily of birds.
A few moments later.
Salamat po ng napakarami po sa inyo pong panood. Kung niyo po ito pong nagustuhan ay maaari po natin po itong share sa ating mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!